Hello everybody, we're having red roosters. And look at my chicken. 2-piece chicken and one small one. Can you see it?
Like a pigeon wing.
This is if you will eat it in the Philippines, you will be like, what?
What is that?
What is that? Why it's very small? What about you? What did you got there? I got 3-piece chicken, a fritters, and the large chips. Do you have a small one too?
Potato and gravy, yeah, but it's bigger than that small one. It's the wing ding.
What?
I don't know what's going on with that little piece. I don't even call that a piece, let's call it a sliver. That's a nugget, a crumb nugget.
Okay, let's eat it. No hate, just love and food.
Just love and chicken.
Mwah, bye.
Bye.